Hi, welcome to another special episode of 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. Today, we will tackle the challenges of the LGBTQ2S+ teachers in the workplace, where we will try to understand the obstacles faced by educators from diverse gender and sexual identities. In this presentation, we examine the realities of discrimination, inclusion, and advocacy within schools and institutions. Through honest perspective, we aim to raise awareness and foster change. Join us as we explore how to create a safer and more supportive environment for LGBTQ2S+ teachers everywhere. LGBTQ2S+ teachers in the Philippines face multiple challenges in their workplace, rooted in discrimination, lack of inclusive policies, and societal attitudes that impact their personal and professional perspectives. The first factor that we are going to discuss is workplace discrimination and bias. LGBTQ2S+ teachers often experience discrimination in various forms, including bias, stereotyping, and even exclusion. They encounter prejudice from their peers, administrators, and sometimes students, which affects their workplace roles and social interaction. Discriminatory practices may stem from lack of school policies addressing LGBTQ2S+ issues and insufficient awareness or understanding of gender sexual diversity among school personnel. This institutional gap contributes significantly to the marginalization of the LGBTQ2S+ educators. Another very important point is the lack of legal protection and policy enforcement. Although there have been efforts to introduce anti-discrimination laws in the Philippines, there is still no comprehensive national legislation that is explicitly protecting the LGBTQ2S+ teachers from workplace discrimination. Local anti-discrimination ordinances exist but remain limited in scope and coverage, often symbolic without implementation rules and regulations. The Department of Education has issued policies aimed at gender responsiveness and inclusion. Yet, reports highlight the weak enforcement and monitoring of such policies, leaving our LGBTQ2S+ teachers very vulnerable. And another issue is the stigma and the negative attitudes. The predominantly religious and conservative cultural context in the Philippines contribute to stigma against the LGBTQ2S+ individuals. Some educators and administrators even hold negative attitudes that reflect societal prejudice, which manifest as verbal harassment, exclusion from opportunities, and being marginalized within the school community. Religious opposition with the many churches has also shaped these attitudes and hindered efforts towards equality. Another important thing is psychological and emotional impact. The discrimination and lack of support lead to emotional and psychological stress of the LGBTQ2S+ teachers. They often have to suppress or conceal their identities to avoid negative treatment, which contributes to feelings of isolation and internalized stigma. Such condition can undermine their well-being and job satisfaction, impacting their professional commitment and effectiveness. So, with this, there are professional and personal coping strategies. Faced with these challenges, our LGBTQ2S+ teachers adopt various coping strategies, including managing disclosures about their identity carefully, and seeking supportive networks where possible. Some utilize personal resilience and ally their support with in and outside the school environment to counteract discrimination and maintain their professional roles. So our LGBTQ2S plus teachers in the Philippines encounter significant workplace challenges arising from discrimination, insufficient legal protection, societal stigma, lack of policy enforcement, and psychological stress. Addressing these issues requires a strong institutional policies, inclusive education, supportive environments, and societal attitude shifts to ensure their rights and well-being in the educational sector. Thank you all for joining this important conversation about the challenges faced by LGBTQ2S plus teachers in the workplace. It's clear that creating inclusive, supportive environments is essential for both educators and students to thrive. By raising awareness and advocacy for change, we can help ensure that every teacher feels valued and safe. Let us continue to stand together and work towards a future where diversity is celebrated in every classroom. Remember, happy teachers means happy classrooms. Once again, thank you for joining us on 15 Minutes with Sir Noni. See you!